All right, good afternoon, guys. How are you?
Hi.
Good. All right, this is a new one. So you guys tried this one before?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, we're gonna try quickly go over from number 1. Okay. Any answer number 1? Okay.
I got
The number 1.
I got D.
You got D. Any other different answer?
D.
Okay. Oh, okay. Another D over here. Okay. All right. Now let's do number 1 over here. All right. Okay, Teresa, he want to buy her ticket to see her favorite band. Okay, if she spend an average of 10 hours per week, okay, he gonna spend average 10 hours per week helping around the housework for 6 weeks. So total will be every week's 10 hours. It's gonna be 6 weeks total. She need to work 60 hours. That's the first one. But the first 5 weeks, she helps around the house. 19, 26, 38, 48. Okay, up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She worked 48 hours. Okay, to finish this one, we need what? 12 hours the next final week. Is okay? 48 plus 12 is just 60. Okay, he needed this much hours. Okay, choice D is correct. All right, now move on number 2. Any questions? Number 1. Number 1
No.
is not hard. Okay, anybody I think can do this one. All right, what about number 2? What's the answer? Number 2.
E. I got A.
Okay.
I got E.
Oh, so A and E. Okay, good try. Very good try. We have a oh, they're reciprocal. A and E reciprocal. Okay, maybe one of this will be the answer, right? Okay, that's reciprocal. Okay, we have 650 students were surveyed about their pasta preference. 650. The total number of students here. The choice were lasagna. What is it? Menicori. What is the Italian word? And spaghetti. There are 4 choices of there. 1, 2, 3, 4 choice. So that's the question over here. This is a bar graph. Okay, bar graph. So what is the ratio of the number of students who prefer spaghetti? This guy's spaghetti. To the number of students who prefer the menicori. Menicori, where is menicori over here? Okay. But this one to this one, maybe this one is the first, this is seconds. So it can be 2 over 5, right? 2 is smaller than 5. Maybe 5 is greater than 2, but we're gonna check it out. Total is 650, we don't care. This will be 250. Okay, menicori is how much? You can see it over here, 100 students. All right. Okay, the ratio will be 250 over 100. So when 1 0 out, you can divide by 5 one more times. 5 divided by 5 is 5, divided by 5 is 2. Oops. 5 over 2 is the answer, right? Yeah, this is correct. Okay, the ratio, you have to follow the order, okay? It depends on the questions. The ratio of the number of what prefer spaghetti and then manicotti. Okay, spaghetti is first, manicotti next. Okay, so the answer is correct. Okay, yes, some mistake, right? All right, any questions? Number 2?
No.
No, okay, very good. What's this number 3?
I got
What?
C.
Oh, you got C, okay. Very good. And other answer? Number 2 is E, right? Number 3. The question over here, sum of the 2 smallest prime factor. We need to write 2 prime factors over here. Prime factor. Smallest one. Okay, to find the prime factors, we need to break this number with the prime number, right? Because they asking you find the prime number. So we need factor, actually what is a prime factorization? Prime factorization. Break this number. Easiest way is what? 25 times 10. 25 is what? 5 times 5. 10 is what? 2 times 5. This one equals 2. We have a 2 to the 1 and the 5 to the 1/3 power. But we need the smallest prime factors. Where is prime? 2 is prime, 5 is prime, that's it. But smallest one is what? 2 and 5 only. No other prime number there, okay? And also we have a 2 smallest prime numbers. All other numbers is 2, 5 squared is not prime. 2 times 5, 10 is not prime. Okay, so we have only prime numbers over here. This prime number, this prime number, this is a prime number, this is a prime number. Maybe you better like it this way, 2 times 5 times 5 times 5. 2 smallest prime number here and here, right? 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7 is the answer, okay? Excellent. Any question number 3? You know how to get the prime factors, okay? All right, number 4. What is number 4?
I got D.
You got D, okay, very good. Any other?
I got D too.
Oh, you got T too, excellent, very good. Very nice, okay. Now take a look over here. Chandler wants to buy 500 mountain bike. Wow, expensive one. His birthday, his grandparents sent him $50 and $35. Cousin, $15. Okay. He earns what, $15 per week for his paper route. He will use all his birthday money and all the money he earns from the paper route. In how many weeks? Okay. Wow. How can you find this one? To make $500, he has already have what? $50 here, $35 here, and 15, right? Total is $100. She already made it, okay, without any work. But for the paper route, she gonna make like $16 per week. To get the bike, still he need $400. It's okay, still he need $400. Let's give 1 minute, okay. Oh, we didn't the number 4. I'm sorry, we skipped it, right? Okay, after this, we'll go back. All right, this is 400, okay, that is fine. So every week is $16.
No, I got D for number 4.
Oh, you got D number 4?
I got D.
Okay,
You're
okay.
talking about.
All right, sorry
And I
about
got-
that.
And I got B for number 5.
B4 number 5. Okay, I did mistake. Okay, sorry about that. Number 4 is D, right? But I'm gonna try number 5 first. I write down number 5. All right, to make $400 every week, he made it $16. So you can divide by $16. Okay, that gives you a number of weeks. That is equals to 25 weeks. That's right. Yeah, choice B is correct. It's still not hard. Okay. All right, number 4. Go back to number 4. A haunted house had 6 windows. In how many ways can Georgie, the ghost, enter the house by one window and leave a different window? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 window over here. 6 window. Can you take them out? Okay, there's a 6 window there, right? Inside the house. Inside house. All right, okay. So ghost can be go inside here, 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 here. There are 6 choice. If we take here, ghost on here. We use this window. Or second one, there are anyway 6 choices there. But you're gonna go out, leave the house, right? Different window, not the same window, right? Same window, you can go same window 6 times 6. So different window you can go from it, like this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, right? So there are only 5 choices because he used this one, all right, before entering the house. So total number of ways is what? 6 times 5 equals 30 different ways. It is okay? All right, excellent. Any questions on number 4?
No.
Okay, if we are allowed to use the same window, 6 times 6, total is what? 36. That's the answer. Different window, 6 times 5, because one of the window he used before, right, entering the house. Okay, that is number 5. Now move on number 6. Where is it? Okay, here. Any answer of number 6?
I got
try
E.
this one.
I got E.
Oh, you got D. Any other answer? All right. Average cost of long distance call in the USA in 1985 was 41 cents per minute. Very cheap per minute. And the average cost of long distance call in the USA 2005, after 20 years, it was 10 cents. Oh, much, much cheaper.
Actually, it was
the
7.
perks.
It was 7. You said 10.
I said 10? Oh, it's 7 is correct. Yeah, I'm sorry. Sometimes, okay, my screen is very reflected with the light. Sometimes, okay. Okay, this is my screen problem. But I'm gonna usually adjust the light. Okay. Still sometimes it happens. Okay, all right. So 7 cents, find the approximate percent decrease. Percent increase or percent decrease? Older number, this is new number, but increase is a new number is greater than older number, right? That's why new number, older number, but percent increase from where? Increase always older number. In this case, new number is greater than older number. And this is percent increase. But second time is the older number. This is new number, but new number is not greater than older number, less than older number, decrease. So anyway, their difference is how much? New number minus, or you can use the older number minus new number. It doesn't matter because older number is greater than new numbers, okay? Or usually we use the absolute value, okay? They are difference. From older number, still 100. That is a percent increase, okay? But now we have this one, 41 cents. This is older number. New number is 7. That's decrease. We know that 7 is less than 41. But their difference is how much? You can make, right? 7 minus 41 or 41 minus 7. I'm going to 7 minus 41, but we need what? Absolute. That is how much? 35, 34, right? Okay, that is 34 difference. Out of what? 41. Is it from here? Okay, that's right. That is a percent decrease if you multiply by 100. Okay, so 34, 100 divide 41. Looks like 8, almost 80, right? Or the other one is smaller than, much smaller than 80. So 80 is the answer, okay? 80% decreased, okay? All right, now the next one, let me see. Number 7. Anyone gave me the answer? Number 7.
I got D.
You got D, okay, excellent. Any other answer? Any other? No. All right, number 7. Average of 5 people in a room is 30 years. Okay. An 18-year-old person leaves the room. What is the average of their 4 remaining people? 5 people average is 30 years. Total number of years is 5 times 30 equals to 150 total number of years. Okay.
Then minus 18 to
That's
that.
right. 18 is out. Now total number of age is 132 years.
Then divided by 4 because
That's
one
right.
person left.
Average is now we got only 4 people there. When you divide it by 4, is actually 33. That's the average. New average will be 33 years. It's okay, but that is not hard. Up to number 7 will be okay. Now everybody try number 8. Everybody try number 8.
I got 2. I got B. I got B.
Oh, you got B, okay.
Geometry problems.
Oh, here, right? Oh, that's right.
It starts from 8 this time.
B, okay. All right, check it out. Oh, we got the dimensions are already up here, 3, 3, and 66. So this will be 3, right? This will be 3. What is the area of a triangle BEC? Because this is said what? Trapezoid, right? parallel, this is what? Perpendicular, right? They have to say this is perpendicular. Okay, I think a little mistake. Okay, sometimes this is also a right trapezoid. That's right. Okay. AD perpendicular DC, and over here AB, AC is 3, DC is 6. In addition to that, BE, DC is a parallel BE to the AD. Okay, they have to say, okay. They must say this one, or they have to say length of DE equals 3, something like that, okay? All right, now watch there with triangle BEC. This is 3, this is 3, 3 times 3 and divided by 2, which is equals to 4.5. Okay, yeah, that's correct. All right, number 9. Any questions? Any answer number 9?
I got B.
You got B, okay, very good.
Same.
Same, oh, excellent. Okay, take it over here. Yeah, to complete the grid below, each of the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 must occur once in each row and once in each column. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 only, okay? One number will occupy the lower right-hand square, this number. Okay. So we got to write 1, 2, 3, we have 2 numbers left, 3 or 4. But we already 3 over here. This one should be 1, 4, 2, 3, right?
And that has to be 4 then 1.
Oh, 4 then 1. This one, 4 and 1. Excellent. So that's why 3, 1, 4, the next number will be 2, right? That's okay. Or maybe you can go 1, 2, here you can use what 3, 4, right? Doesn't matter because we have a 4 over here. That's only one choice, okay? You can go this way, you can go this way, doesn't matter. Anyway, the last one number will be 2, okay? All right, very good. All right, now let's do number 10.
I got D.
Okay, any other answer? 1D. Any other?
I think.
Okay. That is, we said symbol notation. When you have right block n, that is equals represent sum of all positive factors of n. Because what factors of n, 6 is what 1, 2, 3, 6. That is the factors of 6. All right, 1 is always what? Factor of any numbers. Okay, so 6 is divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 6, and the 6 is divisible by 6. That's right. 1, 6, 2, 3, right? You can find right, all these 4 numbers. 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so plug it was sum of what? All factors.
Since 11 is prime, it's only 1 and 11. If you add them, you get 12.
Yeah, this is about only 1 and 11, 2 factors. That is 12.
12 has 12 can be divided to 12, 1, 2, 6, 4, and 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's 28.
That's right. So you can add more. This is 3, 6, 10, 16, and plus 12. Total is 28 is correct. Okay, very good.
Okay.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna skip number 11. Okay. You can try this later. You're gonna go number 12. All right, we have a hexagram. You know that this is a hexagram. Okay. It composed of what? A regular hexagon side, the length of 1, and each 6 equilateral triangle. Okay. All right. This is a hexagram. This is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon with the equilateral. That is you said hexagram. All right, what is the ratio of the area of extension to the area of the original hexagon? Okay.
D. I got D.
You got D. Any other different answer?
I got A.
I got A. Okay. Very good. You got A and D. Any other different answer? All right. Our regulations. Hexagon is what is that? What is the hexagon? What is the hexagon?
Oh, I think it's A. I think it's A.
I think it's A? Okay.
Yeah, I think it's A.
All right. What is the hexagon? Hexagon is what? Combination of 6 equilateral triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equilateral triangle. That is definition of a hexagon. Okay. So this one is identical to this one because what? This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay. Also, this is 60 because they are equal or length 60. Is actually what these two areas are equal, same equilateral triangle. Okay. So how many equilateral triangle inside the original hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is okay. That is extension area. It's okay. So 6 over 6 equals 1. 1 to 1 is the answer. Okay. You're gonna ask you the area of this one, original, and extension. This is extension. This is section. This is extension. This is extension. Extension. It has the same number of same size of equilateral triangle. Okay. So 1, 2, 1 is the answer. Okay. All right. Venn diagram. We did this one before. Number 13. Any answer on number 13?
I got A.
Oh, excellent.
I
There-
also got A.
Okay. We got A. Any other? All right, take a look over here. A and B shown in Venn diagram. Oh, very kind, right? They use the Venn diagram. Intersection is what? 1001. This intersection is what belongs to the A, also belongs to the B. Okay, we have a 1001 element. Element is what? 1001 number there. Okay, 1001 number belongs over here. Find the number of element to A. Find the number of all. A should be greater than 1001. That is too small. I think that is not the answer. Because what? Element A can be here. All together. It should be more than 1001. 5 or 3 too small. Okay, I think that's not the answer. All right.
Can I
Okay.
change my answer to C?
Oh, you answer to C. Okay. Check it out. Their union is what 2007, isn't it? It's okay.
Yes.
What is the union? Union means what? They are no repeating numbers all together over here. All the number over here. Here to here. All together is 2007 numbers there. Okay.
빨리 집중해.
Take a look over here. Another constraint. Can you see that over here? They have the same number of elements, A and B. This is a common. So this number is only A. And the other number still the same number. So x plus 1001 plus equals x plus 1000. That's why they have the same number of elements. That's right. So the number of elements, the set A and B, they are equal, same number of elements there. Right? Total is 2007 when you take up 1002. I mean 1001. When you take this 1001, how much this one? 1006. 1006 is the number of elements. I'm gonna say this section, including this one, right? This section is 1006. They have the same number of elements. You can divide it by 2. So this one should be half of them 503. The other one also 503, right? But we're gonna find what? All the number of elements to set A. Where is the set A? Here, here, here. That is just set A. So only this one number and plus what? Common, right? Belongs to both set. We add these two numbers. So 1001 plus 503 equals 1504 is the answer. Choice B is the answer, okay? That's correct.
It's actually C.
Yep. Any questions on number 13?
No.
Nope, right. Okay, very good. Number 14 now. Oh, because usually on your grade, okay, so up to 13, the maximum is up to number 13, right? But
I got C
we
for
did
number
write
14.
more than number 13, okay? All right, now
got-
keep going.
I got C for number 14.
All right, number 14, you got C, okay? Excellent. Any other different answer? Any other different answer?
I got A.
Oh, you got A, okay. Any other? All right, you know what is the isosceles, right? This is isosceles. I'm gonna use this. These two opposite sides are equal. That is isosceles. But use the third side is different. Okay. And also third side is equal, that is equilateral. All right. Where is the base? This side we said base. For this isosceles triangle. These two angles we said they are equal. We know that opposite sides are equal. Base angle is equal. The name of this angle we said a base angle. What is this angle? Maybe different. This angle we said vertex angle. But this is the base. The other two sides, what is that?
Leg.
Leg. Excellent. To leg. You know what is the leg? This is the leg. Okay. In normal, people there have the same length of a leg. Okay. Base is 24. Area is 60. I'm going to make it this one. Bracket means area. It's 60. What is the length of one of congruent side? Yeah, these two legs is equal. We said congruent. Congruent means equals in measure. Okay. Congruent means equal in measure. Yeah, that's fine. But how can you find the area? Base times height
Height.
and divided by 2. But when you take this height in isosceles, always the height bisect opposite side, they must be equal because we're in the middle, right? So the height is h, base times 24 times height, and divided by 2 is the area of this isosceles triangle, 60. Up to here, any questions?
No.
No. 24 over 2 is what we know that 12. 12h is 60, h equals to how much? 60
5.
divided by 12 equals to 5. So we got this one. This is 5. Oh, to length. This is what half of 24 is 12. What is the length this one?
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
That's right. Also, you can use this is 60 degree. We know that right triangles end of 60 hypotenuse, they are already twice of this length, 24. Or you can use, right, Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals to how much? 24. I'm sorry, that is not 20. 30.
Okay.
$25 plus 144 equals 169 equals to 13, right? Not 24. Is it okay? Let me take a look. This is not 60 degree. If this 60 degree half, that's fine. But this is not a 60, okay? So we have to use Pythagorean theorem, okay? 13 is the answer, okay? Excellent. Very good. All right, now we're gonna attack number 15. Number 15 is usually 8th or 9th grade questions. ABC be the numbers. They are positive. A is greater than A, B is
I got
greater
an
than
A.
A. Okay, you got an A. All right. Which of the following is impossible? Okay, I got the right 1A. Any other different answer? All right. Maybe you can use some plug-in number. Okay. Maybe you can use some plug-in number. A is you can use 1, B is 3, C is a little bit more big, 10, something like that. When you add A plus B, A plus C, 1 plus 10 is 11, is less than 3. It's
No.
correct? No. Yeah, we already got the answer. It is okay. We already got the answer. What about A times B is greater than C? A times B, 1 times 3 is less than 10. That is true. A plus B, 1 plus 3 is 4, is less than 10. That is true. A times B is less than B. A times B, 1 times 10, 10 is less than 3. What about this? Sometimes works, some other times not working. Because over here, which one is impossible means always false. Always false, not working. Sometimes work, some other times work, that's not the answer. Always false. But you don't know this is what working, but sometimes not working, we don't know, right? So how can you prove this way? how to think. This one is a little hard. Can you see that A is less than B, right? Over here. Can you see that?
Yes.
Over here, you can add a C left-hand side. We can, to keep the same inequality, we can add a C to the right-hand side too. Okay. A plus C is always B plus C. Okay. But what about B and B plus C?
Isn't that B is greater than A?
Just give me 1 minute, okay? Let me think this one. Okay, this one a little hard to compute, okay? But the only things we know that, okay, we're gonna solve this one some algebra. Anyway, that's fine. Just what is that? Take a look over here. Because we know that C is greater than B, right? C must be greater than B. When you add more over here, definitely right, A plus is more than C. That is great, much greater than B, right? That's true. It can be less than B, right? That is always wrong. You don't understand? It's okay? Because what over here,
Yes.
C is greater than B. Take a look. C is greater than B. So what is this? C is greater than B, right? From here. Same thing. Symmetry. C already greater than B. But you add more over here, much greater than B, right? It never less than B, okay? That's why A is the answer.
Unless it's a negative.
Yep.
But it's bigger.
Much
than zero.
bigger, right? Because you add more. You guys understand? Okay, let me see some different algebraic work. Just give me 1 minute, okay? I need time. Which is the best way? Take a look. Okay, another way, maybe you can check this way. C is less than minus A is B minus A. B is already what? Less than B, less than, B is less than C. Another minus A is what? This is much smaller than B. It can be greater than C. Okay, this one is little complicated, okay, because you guys don't know how to use Y inequality.
I know.
You know that?
Yes.
So I think the best way use Y some plug-in number. Okay, plug-in number is I think the best way. Maybe you can use A, B, C, but they are positive. Sometimes you can use Y 1, 2, 3, very small number. Sometimes you can use C is a very big number. And sometimes B is a very big number, C is a very big number, 10 and 11, 12, or something like that. Okay, very close. C is very big. Both two numbers is big. This is our different case, I think. So A plus C plus B, this is what definitely wrong. We know that. Second, try this one. Not always true. Sometimes it works. That is right. That's why this is not the answer. A times B is what is that? 1 times 2 is less than 3. That's working because this is one of the working. That's not the answer, right? A plus B is less than C. Okay. A plus B, take a look. A plus B is less than C. That's true. You already got the true. That's the counterexample. Not always true, but this is already true. Okay. That's not the answer. So A times C is less than C. Yes. A times C. At times C. A times C is what? 1 times 12 is less than C. Okay. But in this case, you gotta be careful. Okay. I'm gonna try this one again. Okay. Maybe A is 1/10 because what they didn't say anything, right? Integer, okay, or real numbers. This one is a 10. This is a 9. Okay, maybe we better find out by counter example. Okay, counter examples. A times C is 1, right? 1 over 10 times 10 is 1. 1 is less than 9. That's true. Okay, not always. This cannot be the answer too. B over C can be A. Yep. B over C can be A 2/3. Or maybe this is 2/3, right? 2/3 is small, so that's true too. This is also possible. Okay, so that's why A is always true. Always true. Okay, always false. That's why answer is A. Another one. This is kind of a discrete system. If we have try to find the answers, we need to use what we need. Find counter example. Counter example means what? Not working or working. Okay. Impossible means what? You try to find what possible cases. It's okay. So A, B is greater than C. You can try this. Find the counter example. 1 times 2 and 6. 1 times 2 is what? Less than 6. That's true. That's now already impossible. So it can be answer, right? You can find the counter example. So now let's find another one. You can use any number, n times 2. 1 plus 2 should be less than 2. Yeah, when you choose C of 5, 1 plus 2 is less than 5. That is true. That is another counter example. Now find another counter example. If you want to use A is what, B is C is what, 1 times 10. 1 times 10 is less than B. If B is what is that? This is a little hard, right? Because A, B, C is a real number. You can use about A is 1 over 10. C is 10 over here. That is equals to 1, isn't it? Maybe you can use a P is what, greater than A or less than C, or you can choose 8. So 1/10 times 10 is 1. 1 is less than 8. That is another possible case. That is okay, counter examples. Now the next one is use this is a 10. This one is C is more than this one, 20. So A is about 1 over 2. Yep, A is 1 over 2 is best smaller than the next one is B is 10, C is 20. That's working too. Okay, in this case, I think try to find counter example. But there's no counter example over here. Is it okay? 1 plus 5.
Yeah.
This one should be less than this number. Already not working. It can be, right? There's no counter examples. So think about this one, okay? To find the right contradiction, we need to find the right counter example, okay? Any questions on number 15? You guys with me?
Yes.
All right. Number 16. What's the answer? Number 16.
I got D.
Okay, D. Any other? All right.
Opposite.
Okay, go ahead. All right, we have a graph of 1 to 5 over here, okay? Okay, each circle C plot the point CA, okay? Where C is the circumference of an edge area, what is the following could be her graph? This is what? Circumference? Circumference? C, circumference. This one is the area. Okay, we're gonna find this one. Okay, so how can you find the circumference? Pi times radius times radius. Is it okay? That is circumference. This is true or not? No, this is the area, right?
Yes.
What is circumference? 2 times pi r or pi times diameter. That is the circumference.
Could I change
This
my
is-
answer to A?
Oh, you can do the answer to A. Okay, you can do that, right? That's it. So we're gonna find the relation between these two. We're gonna find the relation these two. What will be the answer? Which of the following could be the graph? Pi
Since-
r square over 2 pi r.
Since the circumference would go up,
Mhm,
this one and this one,
mhm,
not this one, and also
Mhm.
not this one,
mhm,
and this one would not apply. These
mhm,
two apply, but
mhm.
the area would also level up. But then these are like staying the same.
All right.
So the answer is A.
Okay, excellent. Very good. Okay, this is the area, and this is the circumference C. Maybe you can, some constant number is out. Okay, r squared r. This is now r. You can use r. The other one is r squared over 2. This one is y equals r squared over 2, right? That is quadratic. Okay. So the graph will be, this is r to the r squared. What is it? You know the y equals x squared, something like that, right? Looks like a parabola, isn't it?
Yes.
Is it okay? All right.
Yeah.
Or you can print what some number there. Okay. Take a look over here. That's the easiest way, because your grade better use what plug in numbers. Area is pi r squared. Circumference, I'm gonna circumference first. Okay, I'm gonna use the circumference 2 pi r. Area is pi r squared. Where is r is 0. What happened? R equals 0 is what? This is circumference. This is the area. Circumference is 0. Area is 0. If r is 1, what happens? 2 pi is circumference. R is 1 is what? Pi is area, right? When r is 2, take a look. R is 2, what is that? 2 pi times 2, isn't it? 2 pi times 2 is what? 4 pi. Okay, but what happened to the area? 2 times what is that? 4 squared, that is what? 4 pi, right? It's okay. The next one, when r is 3, is what? 6 pi, but area is what? Pi r squared, pi times r, 3 squared is 9 pi. Can you see that over here? Now let's check it out. This is increased with same numbers. 0, 2 pi, 6 pi. This is 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. Or the next will be 8 pi, something right there. What about the area? 0, pi, increase the same number. This is increase pi. The other one is 3 pi, right? 3 pi more, 3 pi. The next one is 9 pi, jump to 9 pi. the graph cannot be like this way because pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, increase more. That's why kind of y exponential, right? Is it okay? A little more jump, more steepy. That's why the answer is A is correct. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay. All right, number 17. You guys need any break?
I got C.
Okay.
Maybe
Need a
we need
break?
him for.
Okay.
Could I have a break?
Okay, we have around 5 minutes break, okay? Okay, everybody has some break, take some water and breath some fresh air, okay? Just give me a moment, I'm gonna pause video, okay. All right, now this is recording right now. Okay, we try to use 17, right? Okay, 17. Okay, someone gave me the answer already. C. Any other different answer? Number 17. All right, number 17 over here. Okay, mixture, right? 30 liters of paint is 25. Red paint, 30 yellow, and 45 water. Okay, so this is 30 liter paint there. Out of this one, 25% of the 25%, 0.25, right? Times 30 equals 7.5 is a red tint. And the 30% is 0.30, that is 30, that is 9, isn't it? Okay, 9 liters is yellow. And 45%, the rest of them, right? The total is 30 liters, that is, will be 13.5 water. The total is 30 liters, that's fine. So 5 liters yellow from here, 5 liters yellow add over here. Okay, to the original mixture. What is the percent of yellow tint in new mixture? What percent of this yellow? How much yellow right now? 9 plus. It already have a 9 over here, 9 liter, and 5 liter, 14 liter yellow tint. This is yellow. But we're gonna find the whole number there, right? Okay. Just before whole number, total volume is 30 liter, but that is not anymore total because we add 5 liter yellow over here. Total is 35 liters. That is the total, right? That is the total. New total will be 35 liters. It's okay. So to find the percent, we need multiply by 100. So 13, you can divide by, it doesn't matter, 1400 and divide by 35. It's okay. So over here, 14, 0, yes, 40% there. What you can divide by 7 is 2, divided by 7 is 5. 2 over 5 is what is it? 40%, isn't it? 40 out of 100, okay? That's why choice C is that. So don't forget, new volume is not 30. New volume is now 35 liter, okay? Because we add the yellow 5 liter, okay? Right now, move on number one. Get it harder. I think that is out of your range, okay? I told you this one is now 8th grade now, very smart student, they can solve this number 18. Okay, but you can try this one. All right, number 18.
I got C.
I got C. Any other different answer? Excellent. Very good. Very good try. Very D.
I got D.
You got B? D or B?
D.
A D. Okay. Excellent. Any other different answer? All right. So whenever I give you right the homework. Okay, homework is what it will be next time classwork. Okay. So whenever you have time, free time, if your schoolwork is busy, you don't have to. But if you are finished all schoolwork, if you have a time, try this one by yourself before the class. Okay, that might be very help. Okay, if you understand what the question is, we can go faster, right? Okay. So number we did number 18. Okay. Now we're gonna try number 18. We're gonna check out the answer. Okay, take a look will be a product of 299 digit number. What? This is a 99 digit number. Number 18 looks like this way. 3 or 3, 3. Uh, 3 or 3, 0, 3, 0. Okay. So 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, something like that, and 3 or 3. You can make, right? 3 numbers, every 3 numbers. So we have right. This is 3, this is 3, this is there what? 33 over here, right? 33 times 3 is what? 99 digit numbers. Second one is 5 or 5 or 5 or. 5 or 5 or 5 or 5 or 5 or 5 or, right? So also it should be 5 or 5. That is another 99 digit numbers. What is the sum of these two? A plus, we can add this one. Plus. What is the sum of A plus B? Can you see it over here? The product of two 99 digit number, this one and this one, has what? 1000 digit A and unit digit B. What is the sum of what? A plus B. What that is? Can you find out 3 or 3 times 5 or 5 first? You can try, okay? 3 or 3 plus 5 or 5, because they are already over here.
Actually, by the way, it is product.
It's the product, yeah. Product of these two numbers is 1000 digit A and unit digit B, right? We have 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow.
Isn't product mean to multiply?
Yeah.
Why are you adding?
A, or inside what is that? B, B, B. Okay. B, B, B.
Also,
here.
I said C.
You said C.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you can use the C over there.
It says product. That means to multiply.
Yes, that is a multiply. Okay.
Why are you adding?
Okay. Maybe you can find a very small example to find the A and B, right? Because there are 1008 there and 1000 B there. Okay. Where are the smallest three numbers? Over here. From here, we can find some idea. You cannot multiply all of this one. They give already over here 1,000, same digit over here, 1,000, another same digit. Okay. Now let's find out what happened. 3 or 3 times 5 or 5. Okay. All right. How much this one? 5 times 3 is about 15. And 0 over here, 5 times 3 is 15. 0 is over here. And 5 times 15 is another 15. Another 15 over here, right? So what is that? 5, 1,
6.
No, this is not good. Oh, no, I did it wrong. I forgot the word. 5 over here. 5, 15. I mixed up. 5 times 3 is about 15, right? 15 over here. That is the correct one. 1, 5, 1, 5. That's right. 5 over here, 0, and 3, and 5, 1 over here. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So once digit is how much?
One's digit is 5.
That's right. One's digit is 5 over here.
And then
And what about 1,000 digit?
thousand's digit is 3.
1,000 digit is 3. It's okay?
Yes.
All right, so 3 plus 5 is 8 is correct. Why this is correct? The other one, what happened over here? You wanna try? Okay, a little 2 more try. 3, 0, 5, 0. Okay, you can just 3, 0 before that, right? 3, 0, 3. The next is about 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Now let's find out. Okay. This is a mistake because what there is 1,000 digit, not 1,000 unit, thousands of numbers. Okay. Yes, that's wrong. When you multiply over here, we can see what happened again. Okay. So what is that? 15. 15. Okay. The next one is about 15 again. It's okay. Same thing. Already 15, 15, 15, 15, something like that. What about the other over here? 0 is also what? 15, 15, something like that. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, we calculate this one. 0 is over here. 5 times 3 is about 15 over here. 5 times 3 is about another 15 over here. Okay, another 5 times 15 over here. Okay. So 0 again, another times 15 over here, and 15 over here, 15 over here, right? Add this one, 1, 5. 5 plus 5 is what? 0. And 5 times 1 plus 1 is 7. That is not 3, right? They're gonna be a little different. Let me check. 5 times 3 is 15. This is 15. Here is 15. Just give me a minute. I'm going to use a calculator to make sure. Just give me a minute. maybe I made mistake. Just a moment, it's okay. I'm gonna find out what's wrong with my calculations. 30303 times 50505. Yeah, I did it wrong. How about this one? This one still, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. 15. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Five times, this is correct, right? 15, 15, 15. 0 times 3, this is 0. The next one is what? 5 times 15, that is 15. And another 15, another 15, that's okay. Another 0 over here, 15. Another 0 over here. Oh, I lost.
Maybe you should let a machine do the job.
Yeah.
Maybe search like up the.
Okay, you can check it out this one, okay? Yeah, this one, let me see it. 0, 3, 0. I don't know what happened. I made a mistake. When you multiply this one, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, it should be equal this way. 1, 5, 3, or 4, 5, 3, or 1, 5. Okay. Anyway, always your last 4 digits same as before. Okay, that is anyway, it doesn't change. Always thousands digit is 3, ones digit is 5. The total sum of this one is 8. Okay. But this is 5, 1, 0. How about 3 over here? 1, 1. It is 3 over here, okay? Can you check out this one for me? Okay. So later you can check it out, okay? We don't have enough time, okay? So use your calculator. So I'll show you calculator in case. I don't know what happens. Can you see the calculator over here? 30303 times 50503 equals how much? This way, right? Oh, no, 350505. That's right. 3030303 times 5050505. Okay. Can you see over here? Oh my God. Three zero three times 50505. Okay, can you see over here? 10,000 digits was 3,000, right? The last 3,015. So 1,000 digits already 3. One digit is already 5. Okay. All right. So that's why the answer is D is correct. Check it out. Maybe I did a mistake. All right. Okay. A little more questions over here. Okay. That is hard. I think 19 and 20. So you guys try this one. Okay. All right. Now let's do this one anyway. Number 19. Any answers? Number 19. Anybody else try number 19?
I got A.
Oh, you got A.
I couldn't
Okay.
get the answer.
Okay, you got the A. Excellent. Any other different answer? All right. Okay, pick 2 consecutive positive integers whose sum is less than 100. Okay, their sum should be less than 100. Okay, So square both of these integers and then find difference the squares. Wow, a lot. This one you guys need to algebra. Which of the following could be difference? Okay. This one is a little hard for you. This one need actually 9th grade or 10th grade algebra. Okay. This is a little hard. Okay, we can do this one later, okay? I think this is a little too hard for you. Okay.
What's the answer, by the way?
I don't know. I have to find out. Maybe I can give you some idea. You know what is the consecutive numbers? If you use x is the first consecutive number, second number is what? Usually we do the n, or x, it doesn't matter. X and x plus 1, we set consecutive positive integers. Consecutive is already increased by 1, their difference is 1, right? The idea is sum is less than 100, that the first constraint should be satisfied this way. Sum of this one, x plus 1, this one should be less than 100. It should satisfy this one. Okay, that is one of the constraints, one of the conditions. The next one, another condition over here, square both of two integers. What's the square over here? This one, x squared. Second one is what? X plus 1 squared. You know the x plus 1 is greater than x squared, right? But their difference, find what their difference of the square again, okay? So x minus 1 square and minus square. This one is some number of square again. And I'm going to use, okay, square, I'm going to use n. Okay, and it's some square again. So which of the following could be difference? So that's how you have to solve this one, right? Okay. That's why we need to solve this one a little hard. This one is a little hard. Okay. Okay, now let's find anyway. We can solve this one, satisfy this one later, okay? 2x plus 1 is less than 100. This is the algebraic solutions. That is not your graded solution, okay? So 2x should be less than minus 1 is 99. X should be less than, what is it? 99 over 2 equals 49.5. The value of x should be less than 49.5. It's okay? Right, the next one. Square of this one should be some squares of integers. This is x squared. You know how to factor this one? 2x plus 1 and minus x squared. X squared is out. Find we got what? 2x plus 1 is what? Some numbers of square, okay? We know that 2x plus 1 is, what is that? 2x plus 1, 2 times any number that is what? Even, and plus 1 is, that is odd number. We know that this is odd number. Everybody understood? Whatever hard? Yeah, that is odd number. Okay.
3분 남았는데.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. So this is the way you can find the answer, okay? So after class, maybe you can try this one by yourself.
Evan, do you have
Okay, this is a little bit hard for you. Okay, So a little more time over here. Okay. Anyway, 2x plus 1 should be square numbers. This one, you know that less than 100 over here. Can you see that over here?
Yes.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna find out the easier way. This approach is not good for you. I'm gonna find another easier way. Okay, I'm gonna find another easier way, number 90, without using, okay, this algebra, okay? This is not your grade solutions. Yeah, that is, I think, a little hard.
I still know it.
Yeah, don't worry that, okay? I'm gonna find out the easier way, okay? But if you know the way you're strong in algebraic solutions, that is fine, but I think that is not for you. All right, so everybody continue. 19 to, let me see, check out number 20. Number 20 will be okay. Number 21 is okay too. Can you delete this one? Hello? Delete this one, okay? Okay, number 23 is okay.
24 is okay.
Yeah, 24 is okay too. 25 is okay too. Only this number 19 had a little more work on algebra, okay? So we're gonna try this one and also finish one number 22, 25 by yourself, try. And I'm gonna send out another new work for you, okay? All right. So I'm gonna put this videos on YouTube so you can take a look at any times, okay? All right, that's all today. All right, I see you next time, okay? Bye, everybody.